Well, only dude here. After 4 months, I just finally got the call from the shop and the truck is done. Not everything I wanted to get done, but at least the balancer's replaced, the radiator's on, it's running and running well. Just gotta have to figure out what to do with the power steering fluid and just, I guess it is what it is. I don't know. But I'm gonna go pick it up in the morning. So, man, it's been a long time coming. I'm excited to get back in it. So let's do this. We'll catch you in the morning. There it is. It's finally out. Right here to pick it up. All right, finally got it back. Man, it's been 4 months. I'm gonna get in here and let's start it up and then go check the engine. Let's see how it sounds here. Dirty. Gotta clean this sucker up. Bring the thunder. Let's pump it a couple times. There we go. Let's take a look and see how this looks. Oh, good. They put a bolt on there for me. I'm gonna have to tighten that belt up again on that alternator. You can see it jumping. Other than that, it looks good. It's running good. The gearbox. Well, sure is good to have it back. Now I'm gonna have to go put some gas in it. 4 months sitting here, it's got about 1 inch of dirt on it. I'm headed over to a show, but I don't think I'm gonna enter it in because it's just too dirty. I think I'm just gonna go and check it out. But dude, I'm just excited to have this thing back. Woohoo! Back on the road again. Man. Check out the skunk, man. This thing is huge. That's a monster skunk. Wow. Boy, I've been contemplating as to whether I want to just keep this or sell it. I love the thing. I really do. It is going to take up some space in my driveway now that we're not in a house anymore and in an apartment. I'm struggling, but when I get back in behind the wheel again like this, it's hard not to just fall in love with it all over again. I don't know. It's kind of an icon to the channel. It doesn't define who I am, but it kind of defines the channel a little bit. If it wasn't for this truck, I wouldn't even have as many followers as I do. And I appreciate every one of you that stick around and watch these episodes. I know it's kind of hodgepodge of different things, but I do appreciate it. Anyways, good day. Well, I made it down here to this car show, but there's barely anybody here, and my buddy Lee isn't here either. So I think I'm just gonna go home because it's right around the corner. And I told him I'm just gonna go home, maybe start cleaning this truck up so that it looks a little bit better. It's disgusting. Grease monkeys in and out of here cleaning or trying to get this thing working. But anyways, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just head home, get this thing washed. All right, well, I got it back home and I popped the hood because it was still making some noises, just like it was before I took it in to have it repaired. And I'm thinking it's the alternator. I went through, when I start it, you can see the flywheel kind of wobble a little bit, just a tiny bit. But I have to keep the belt for the alternator a little loose, otherwise it starts knocking. But I think it's the alternator. It doesn't, because it doesn't do it when I don't have that belt on. Yeah, so for now, I'm not going to worry too much about it. I've had a belt break on it, and I just get a new belt and move on. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and get this thing washed down because it is filthy. See if I can get it scrubbed a little bit. And I'm not going to have time. It's already 11:13. We're going to have to leave in about an hour and a half or so. But I think I can at least get it washed, power washed down, and make it look a little bit better than it does currently, because it is just filthy. And then the inside, I need to change out this rug, blankets. I got some new ones that are pretty much identical, so I'm going to go ahead and get this tore out and get them replaced. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get this thing tore out of here and get that replaced. I found the other ones. They're back there, you can see them. So I'm going to take these out of here and try to work on installing those new ones, and then we'll go ahead and start working on the outside. So I'm going to go ahead and start on getting that, and just see if we can get this thing looking a lot better than what it is. This is all tied in here. It's making it a little difficult getting it off because I got it all still tied up. This is definitely wore out. So I have that clipped in. There we go. I don't think any of this is tied off. Just what's behind here. This right here looks like. Alright. I got some grease on my back. Just making sure that I can't get grease all over everything. But this worked out a whole lot better than trying to fix this here. I mean, it's pretty bad. In and out of this truck for years. I'd love to find a new seat, but this is just so wore down. There's really not much I can do to try to save that. I do have some thread that I could try, but it's just ate up. So anyways, those are off. Let's go ahead and get the new ones and see if I can get them put on. All right, well, I shined it up a little bit. I think you can tell right there that it's a lot cleaner than what the back looks like. Good part of the roof, you can see how much better that is in comparison. But yeah, so much better. What is going on with this thing? Here we go. I'm trying this new gimbal that I have. Sometimes it works the way I want it to, sometimes it don't. I got all the way up to this here, got the tires, and then I didn't, but I stopped at the doors. I got the new seat cover on. I just need to get them tied down, but for now it's at least there. So, well, that's going to be it for this video. Just wanted to get on here and share with you guys that I got them back and started cleaning it up, and just excited to have it back in my driveway and be able to do some stuff. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video and hit the bell icon so you're notified of new content as I upload it. We'll catch you on the next one.